You are searching how to buy shares of SCPH CVR Merger, a company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SCPH CVR. This quick tutorial explains the steps using a broker example for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SCPH CVR to find the listing. Confirm you select the NASDAQ entry that matches SCPH CVR to avoid the wrong instrument. Open the SCPH CVR Merger asset page to view basic company information in the price chart. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to make sure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to commit, then review the order details, including order type and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your SCPH CVR position will appear in your portfolio or account positions. For reference, the eToro link is in the description. This is provided as an educational example only.